Now, first one, x equals to 6. What I need you all to do, whatever I underline, you just mark. If yours is not 6, some of you showing the please zoom in symbol. Now, some of you don't get a 6. Do you copy this? Copy this? No need. You just write x equals to 6. Go on to next one. Understand? Later on, when you do correction, then you will see what you missed. Alright, so I'm going to go pretty fast because I don't expect you to copy down this. No need. You just copy down x equals to 6. Who get this wrong? Oh, really? Okay. Next one. 550. Answer is 550. Who did not get this? 1, 2. Now, I quickly. Hey. Can I talk? Okay, I'm going to be sick very soon, so please let me prolong my life here. Yeah. I'm trying to last until Friday, so please help me by keeping quiet. Thank you. Let's start. Now, how do I do this? Very simply. Now, this is what you write. Can you write down on your paper? Those who get wrong, those who get right, please ignore me because I don't care what method you use. Write down 1890 km. The word per means divide. Can you write down? Divide by 1 hour. Per means 1 hour. Now, every time you want to write down the unit they want meter, they want second. So what you do is this, 1980, you ask yourself, kilometer to meter, is it times or divide? Times how many? 1000. And then this one, 1 hour to second, is it times or divide? Times. So you times 3600. Now press the whole thing in your calculator, then you will get this. Okay? Don't get what I say, go and watch the YouTube video later. Alright, so write down the final answer, 550. Okay, I'm going to go faster because I don't have time to. Now increase by 10%. Now where is the mark? If you have 1.21, this is 1 mark. 21%, this is 1 mark. Huh? 110 square over 100 square. Can. Then times 100%, right? Can. Accepted. You get the same answer, right? Okay, next one. Quickly mark. Question 4. So why times 20? Or because 20 of such shelter. So 1 mark for the working. This is 1 mark. The answer is 1 mark. Did you get this correct? Why wrong? You do opposite. Now, let me tell you a secret. Those who get this question wrong, actually, the unit is helping you. Now, how? Unit means meter square stroke person. Meter square stroke person. It means meter square divided by person. Does it make sense? Meter square divided by person. Does it make sense? So this one means meter square must be on top. Person must be below. So the unit is giving you hints. Okay, next. Wow, algebra again. Wow, this paper quite irritating. Okay, mark price is Y. Mark price means what? Selling price. selling price. Before or after discount? This is usually before. Before discount, promotion. Yesterday I went to a shop. The shop say closing down sale. But I think after three years already, the shop's still there. So they always have closing down sale, and the closing down sale forever there. So they will say $2, closing down sale $1. But the $1 keep on going on. So every time there's a mark price, there will be a selling price. And the selling price now is 510. Do you think the mark price is more or less? More. This is actually more than this, I think, even before reading. So my question is, I don't like this method actually. My question is 510 is how many percent? 85. Then what do I want to do? It says even I sell at this, if it's sold at a discount for 510, there is still, they want to find the value of Y, so 500%, no? So you get 600. So ability to write this is 1 mark, 1 mark. So this is 600. I think I'm going too slow. Let me go up faster. The cost price. So cost price is like that. 510 is equal to how many percent? Hey, ignore this. I don't like this presentation. But 510 is how many percent? 100? He say I still earn 13%. So how much? 1. Oh, what's the answer for the top one? Is it? Okay, bottom one. Okay, I want to find cost price. Now the keyword here is this. I still have 13.3% of the cost price. I still earn. So this 510, I still earn 13%. So is this 180 plus or 100 plus? 100 plus. This is 113 and 1/3%. Do you understand? And when I want to find cost price, I'm finding what? How many percent? 100%. So then you calculate yourself, and then you get the answer 450. Okay? So ability to write this is 1 mark. The answer is 1 mark. If you do this, it's fine, It's fine.
I don't know，我懂我错了吧？有没有1分啊？
Wrong. Once you write,
13啊。
some of you put 100% is 510 wrong. So it is 0 mark.
1分都没有了。
So you need to understand that 110, not 110. You need to understand that. Oh my God. Add layer. Hey, you must be able to write this. So if I say I earn 13%, means 113% is 510. This part clear? If you are not clear, cannot be businessman. And better don't buy things, you'll be cheated. Okay, next. Reservoir. Reservoir is 2 cm square. Ability to write this is 1 mark. This is 1 mark. This is 1 mark. Hey, how I get 16 to 4? Square root. So you square root. So you square root both sides. Then you get the 4. The M1 is here. This is my M1. 1 cm to 4 km, 1 month. 1 month. M1. Then 1 cm to 40,000. A1. Question. My final answer, do I put with cm or without cm? Without. So your final answer is 1,400,000. Oh, the dollar given already. Yeah, whatever. Okay, now question 7. Quickly go on to the next page. Now, what I want to take down. Wait, who get this wrong? How many of you tell me 3 times this, then this times this? Don't. You must simplify this one. means you must be able to factorize. Factorize. So after you factorize, then you realize that on this side you only need to times which one? X plus 3. So you times x plus 3 times x plus 3. Ability to factorize. If you factorize like that, 1 mark. If you combine into one fraction, 1 mark. Your final answer, 1 mark. So it's 2 mark. So roughly you know how to mark.
How you get the final answer? How you get the final answer?
Oh, how you get the final answer? How from here to get here, you factorize. So for x plus 2 over x plus 2, x plus 3, then you cancel. Follow
This part factorize wrongly. Because this part I get 4x, but then this part because 2 times x is 2x. It's just this part that I factorize wrongly. And so it's only 2 marks even. Or what?
2 marks.
Like that only 2 marks.
Then the last one I get. Okay, next. Hey, talking means Mr. Loh, please go faster. Question 8. Okay, let's start. Now, when I have nothing in common, example, this one 72 and 2, the first one, do you get this? Okay, this is 1 mark. Now, after that, what do you do? 36 and x squared, nothing in common. When nothing in common, you have 2 terms only. What must come to your mind? Something square minus something square. Huh? Yeah. Okay, if you factorize the negative 2 out, you still get the answer. Negative 2, this is negative 36 plus x squared. This is still fine. I will show you how this answer works later. But from here, something square minus something square, what comes to your mind? Something plus something minus something. That's your A minus B. So this is A plus B, A minus B. So how do I get this? So you must ask yourself, 36 is what square? 6 square. Yeah? So this is 6 square minus x square. Therefore you get this answer. Do you follow? Okay. Alright. So ability to factorize the 2 or negative 2 is 1 mark. Then the ability to split into 2, this is 1 mark. Aaron, if you factorize negative 2 out, here you must switch place. So you will have negative 2 x square minus 36. Your answer will be negative 2 x plus 6 x minus 6. You still get the answer. You still get 2 marks. Can I go up? Can I go away? Wrong. Now, is this equals to 6 minus x squared? Is this equal? The answer is no. Reason, if I expand this, I will not get back this. Let's try expanding this. This is a minus b squared. So what's the answer? A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So you see it's different. This is different. Okay, so it's not. Can you take out a negative? You shouldn't. This is the answer. But if you take out a negative, it's still accepted. You shouldn't take out a negative. Why? Because this is one negative only. You take out the negative, there's still one negative. You didn't help the equation at all. But if Aaron asks why don't take out negative, listen, if Puja was going to repeat what I say. If you have this, do you take out negative? Yes. Why? Because there are 2 negative. Aaron, what did I say? No, that's not what I said. What did I say? You asked the question, why do I take out negative? I'm trying to answer you. So what did I say? What did I say? Listen, if there are 2 negative here, you take out. because there are two negative. You take out the 2, negative 2, everything become positive. This become positive. It beautifies the equation because there's no negative here. Over here, how many negative do I have? 1. Even I take out negative 2, there is still 1 negative. So it doesn't help in the equation. Therefore, we don't take out the negative. Clear? Alright? Factorize, shouldn't have mistake. So this is the answer. How many of you write this? How many of you write 6x squared plus 5x minus 4 equals 0? Just curious. Anyone wrote this? No, Don't, So this is wrong. Once I see this wrong, 0 mark. I don't care what you write later. 0. Next one, hence solve. Hence means what? You must use this method. How many of you use this? X equals minus b plus minus over 2a. How many of you use this? 0 mark. You know why? Hence. Hence, underline the word hence. Underline the word hence means use part 1. Write down. Hence means use part 1. So, last time, Darren, what did I say?
Last time.
Okay, long time ago, it used to be hence or otherwise. Then student will argue, Cher, I use otherwise, why you mark me wrong? So nowadays, the marker very smart. The marker want to force you to use it, they use hence, comma, no otherwise. So you no choice, you cannot use otherwise, you cannot use other method. Okay, so you must use the one on top. Which means this time mid-year, I don't want to see anyone from this class make this mistake. If I have hence, you must use the one on top. Improper can. I checked with the SAB, they are not particular with fractions. But if you write like that, it's fine lah. This is correct. Can write improper. But they say in context. What does it mean? Example, class, does this make sense? How much is this? So this is wrong. But if you write this, it makes sense. So this is correct. So that's the meaning of it. Okay, it must be in context. Okay, this one, next one should be easy. Marking. So this is 1 mark. Next one. Whoa. How many of you get this correct? What's the answer actually? 75. See now. Can I talk? Can you listen? Can I talk? Can you listen? Listen? Now, listen. For this kind of question, it's not how to do this question, it's how to do this type of question. So whenever you see this type, number 1, you must be able to write this out, this kind of things out. You must be able, okay? So can I zoom into this? And then let's see what does each of these mean. Now, number 1, it says, ready? How many of you wrote this down? Good. The same thing? Very good. But how do I know it's X? Because they already say N think of X. So the first one should be automatic. The second one makes sense or not? Ben double. So the second one makes sense. Clara triple. So this is understand, right? Triple times 3 . Then the next one, multiply the number by 6. So make sense? Everything makes sense. So then from there, the sum of the 4 number is a perfect cube. What does it mean? So the sum of the number is 45x. Ability to get this is 1 mark. Sorry? You write the 4 things, no mark. But you plus everything together, 45x is 1 mark. Now, what do you want to do? This is equal to this. For this to be a perfect square, perfect cube, what does it mean? The power must be divisible by 3. Can you... Can you underline the word perfect cube? Means power divisible by 3. Or power is a multiple of 3. So what does perfect square means? Power divisible by 2 or multiple of 2. Now let's look at a number again. 3 squared. How many 3 do I need? 1. Subin. Perfect cube. How many 3 do I need? 1. How many 5 do I need? 2. So the answer is 3 times 25. So the answer is 75. Can huh? Oh, I'm so happy. Last year 46. Most students got it right. Oh, okay. Oh, but there was a part 2. Most are able to get 45 but don't know how to proceed. Okay. Okay, now let's look at this inequality we did this year. Did you get this correct? Yes. So this is 1 mark. Ability to expand is 1 mark. Ability to simplify is 1 mark. Next. Smallest rational number 1/6, 1 mark. Write down the answer, mark, and go on. Okay? Okay, this one who get wrong? 31.5? Oh, nobody. Good. So you get this, huh? This one, do you understand? 6 ml? Who don't understand? Do you understand? No. Okay, now let's explain this part. 2 marks, 2 marks. Now, 3:7:4. Oops. Can you tell me this is what is to what is to what? What's this color? Red. And then blue. And then green. Then it says I accidentally add 36 ml to red. That means this thing here, I add 36 ml. How much green do I need to add to get the same color? So let's look at this. How much is this originally? You know No. You know originally red paint there is 31.5. You understand? So originally this is 31.5 ml. No. I'm talking about original. Can you tell me originally how much green do I have? 42. Understand? This is before. So before I have 31.5, I have 42. Now, if I plus 36, what do I have? 67.5 ml. If this is 65.7 ml, how much do I need? So I do the ratio here to here, here to here. So how much do I need? 48 ml. Then they ask, how much extra do I need to add? This minus this. You understand now? So ability to write 48, 1 mark. Ability to minus, 1 mark. Wrong. For the answer mark. No lah. They want green. Hey, question. Answer is 6 ml. If someone write 8 minus 2 equals 6, how many marks will we get? 0. Even though the answer is correct, it's 0. Where does the 8 come from? No logic, because you are talking about red pen. Red pen. Red pen. Ah, really? Last year mark wrongly. Go and minus. I don't care. See? Ian, you are half of it. Huh? 42 1 mark. 42 1 mark. Then minus 1 mark. Now, question 12. Question 12. Find the mean. Mean. So you add everything, divide by 5. It's just 1 mark. Whole number means what? Wait. You never put X? Oh, you put on top one. Can. This is 1 mark. Chew. Huh? You can accept this. Both are correct. So don't bother to simplify. Next, find a median. Hey, you know how to find median? How many people here? Oh, I never answer B. Just write decrease or decrease. Once I see the word decrease become smaller, 1 mark. Don't need to tell me how much. Don't need. Just tell me decrease, reduce, smaller, 1 mark. Can Can I go on? Oh, why does it decrease? X minus 4. X minus 4 means I add somebody lower mark or higher mark? Lower. I add somebody lower mark. What happened to the mean? Lower. This is lower mark. I add somebody lower mark. Median, what do I do? First, I arrange them in order. So this is 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, 4 person, 5 person, 6 person. I got 6 person here. How do I find median? 3rd and 4th. I need. There's an already. Oh, no lah. I need to find the median. What do I do? The 3rd and the 4th person, then I divide by 2. So you take these 2 plus together divide by 2. So that's the answer. And they say the median is 20, right? The median is 20. Then you add together divide by 2 is 20. Then you find out the value of X.
Error carry forward. I too wrong. I go take the second one.
No error carry forward.
Yes.
Any other? Huh?
I also get 24.
You get 24. So answer wrong, is it?
I don't know the X I put in front. Did I do wrong or something?
No, you didn't arrange correctly. You must arrange correctly. X minus 5, comma, X minus 4, comma, X minus 4, comma. There are 2 X minus 4. Followed by X minus 2, followed by X, followed by X plus 6. Then you get, if you take these 2 divided by 2, 0 mark. You take these 2 divided by 2, 0 mark, 2 mark. What's concept wrong already? Where did the X minus 2 come from? Look at the question again. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 people here. Can you see the blue circle? I have 1, 2, there are 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I rearrange from small to big. You only rearrange this. You forgot this person. Is it? I think so. Yeah, you see X minus 4 got 2. X minus 4 got 2. Understand? You mean 2, then I only put 1. Cannot. I must put 2 of them. Well done. But remember I said all those O-level students, every mistake is minus 2 mark. That's 0 or negative mark. Okay, next question. Turn over to the next page. Find the height. Do you get this answer? Do you get 187? Ability to write this 1 mark. Some of you use sine rule. Sine 90 over. Cannot use sine rule. Cannot. Whoa, you all use sine rule as in find this angle, huh? Well done. So this is 90, this is 50, wrong. 40. 7. Okay, chill. Anna. Those of you who wrote this, sine 47 over 200 equals sine 43 over mn. If you write the other way around, it's better. This is 1 mark. Answer is 1 mark. Wrong. Round off. It is not exact. Listen. If your answer is this, wrong. Why? It should be exact. What? Why 1 dB? Distance. What? So always take note. If it's distance. Okay. Next. After some time, the boat move away. So the distance move. Do you understand from the diagram? Where is the boat? Boat is at M, N or B? B, right? Where's the boat? B. The boat is here. The boat is here. I move further away means what? To the left, to the right? To the right. So this is my new boat. Right? So it says now the angle of elevation becomes 34. So draw a line on the diagram. Hey, I explain like that help or not? Don't help, I just blah blah blah, just go on and on. You want me to explain like that? You want? Don't want. So where is the 30 plus angle? Where? Where's the 34 now? Here to here, right? So here to here is 34. So what do you want to do? Find the what length? What do they want? So they want to find this length. This length, is it? This big length. How? You find the big length minus 200. Can follow? Do you get the answer correct? Do you get 76.5? So ability to get this working is 1 mark. Then ability to get this is 1 mark. Okay. If you get a final mark, you give yourself 2 marks. If you get this distance, is 1 mark. Some of you sine rule, then you get this answer, 1 mark. I don't care the decimal behind, it can be 0.5, it's okay. Then you minus 200. You can use sine rule for this, as long as you get this 276 point something, you get 1 mark. Then you minus 200, you get 1 mark. Okay? Next. Students tend to use sine rule. So, which is fine, which is fine. Hey, this one how to do? Wow, 3 mark. Let's try and understand this. Number one. What do you? How do you even start to do this question? In triangle, all angle add up to be what? 180. That means this plus this plus this is 180. That's one. The second thing I want to know is, in one angle at a point is what? What do I mean by angle at a point? That means no battery. If I have one round like that, what's the angle? 360. So then now I'm ready to write down. So what do you write? So what do you write? Now I'm grounded. Vertical opposite. Whoa, so many vertical opposite. I want to find the sum of all the angle. So this angle, how to find? How to find the right angle? 180 minus E minus F. How to find this angle? 180 minus C minus D. How to find this angle? 180 minus A minus B. Okay, I zoom in. Okay, so I write down the first one for you. 180 minus A minus B. So this is the first one. Question. This and this add up to be what? Wrong. This and this add up to be what? Notice I asked a trick question. There is no answer. Can you tell me this green angle and this green angle add up to be what? What's the answer? Very good. These two angles equal to each other. So they add up to be something. But if I know this, it's very helpful. Green plus green, green equal green. Blue equal. This blue equal this blue. This black equal this black. If I add this, if I add this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if I add the same angle together, it is 360. Now you understand? So you must take this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this equal 360. Then you minus. Or in another words, you can also tell me this plus this plus this give you 180. Also can. So how do you show the working? You can tell me everything here times 2 equals 360. This is my first, the top angle, remember? 180 minus A minus B. 180 minus C minus D is the left hand side angle. 180 minus E minus F is the other angle. So these three angles add together is 180. Or you times 2 is 360. So if you are able to write this, is 1 mark. No need. Yes, but how do I give the mark? If you can write this, is 1 mark. If you can write one of it, is 1 mark. You can write either 3. You can write this, or this, or this is 1 mark. Anyway, you see 180 minus A minus B, just give yourself 1 mark. So 1 mark, the final answer 1 mark. So this equal to 360, 1 mark. Okay. Last year the marker is lenient. Wrong. If you write 360 divided by 6, you are telling me, Ryan, one blue angle is 60 degrees. Not necessary. I'm not sure. Because this and this is not A. What you are thinking is this. You are thinking of the circle. This is A, how are you going to say this is A? Huh? Oh, you put back in. Hey, interesting. One of you draw a line here and tell me this is 180 minus A minus B. Therefore, this must be A, this must be B. Can? Yes! Then you take 360 minus everything. Wait. This is legit working. I explain again. Some of you draw a line here. Then you write, this is 180 minus A minus B. Therefore, this is A, this is B. Correct? This working is correct. Then you take a look at trapezium. 360 minus this, minus this, minus this, minus this, minus this, minus this, equal 360. No. This plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this equal 360. That is legit. Correct what? Why not? You erase. What? Okay, 15. Let's go to 15. What you're saying is withdrawn. Correct? But this plus this, they are not equal. They are not equal. And this is not a regular expression. Okay, question 15. Question 15, look at the end. How do you know whether is this a polygon? You just show me n is a fraction or a decimal. You just show me n is not a whole number. It must be a whole number. So you just show me n is not a whole number, therefore not a polygon. Huh? Yes. Show with working. This is your working, this is the show. Show means you have to explain. So 1 mark go to the working, 1 mark telling me n must be whole number. You look at n, you mean n is how you get 29? Oh, you solved it. Can you use interior angle? Can. So if you write this working, you also get mark. Or you write n minus 2 times 180 divided by n equals 145. You solve n equal 29 over 72. Really? Cannot be I think you are working wrong. You bring over. Now, you can use this working, but I think the answer is not 29 over 72. It is not, right? It's not. What's the answer? 72 over? So you use this working, your answer is n equals to 72 over 7. So this is 1 mark. So which means your working Okay, now next one. Do I have time to complete the paper? Oh my god. I need to complete until the last question. Given that the polygon is n minus 1, 45, 145 and 1 exterior angle is 80. Do you know how to do this question? Okay, let me explain quickly. I think I will only 5 more minutes. Now, n minus 1 side. N minus 1 interior angle 45, 145. That means how many angle is 145? 1. Wrong. How many angle is 145? Is it n minus 1 or is it n minus 2? N minus 2. So this is n minus 2 times 145. Now, one exterior angle is 80. That means the interior angle is what? 100. That means the interior angle equals to 100. If I add these two together, what's the answer? 180 wrong. So, if I add this together, it will be n minus 2 times 180. Why? This is the formula for sum of all interior angle. So n minus 2 times 180 is n minus 1 wrong. This is wrong, man. What is it? Oh. Sorry. They already tell you this is n minus 1 interior angle, not n minus 1 side. So the 145 is n minus 1 already. Again, this is n minus 1 interior angle, not n minus 1 side. I thought this was n minus 1 side. So therefore, your answer should be n minus 1 times 145. Now, is there another working? Yes. You want to know another working? Why get 100? Because this is interior angle. If the exterior angle is 80, this interior angle will be 100. No. Exterior angle is you extend the line, the angle outside is exterior. Interior is 180 minus. Now, is there another way to do it? Yes. You can tell me sum of all exterior angle equal 360. Now, how do I use this formula? N minus 1 times exterior angle. What's the exterior angle? Anyone can help me? Nobody. What is the exterior angle? Interior angle is 145. What is the exterior angle? 35. So you can also write 35. Then here I don't calculate interior anymore. I plus that exterior angle. So you take this plus this equal 180. You will still get the answer. Next. Can you copy down just n equal 9? The rest you figure yourself. Cannot. Cause the working wrong, man. What? What redundant? The 9 is necessary. Copy n equals to 9. Now, this question is an old question, old school question. Now, let me explain this part. I'm always interested to know together. Now, a variation of this question can be one swimming pool. I got a fat pipe, I got a thin pipe. A fat pipe takes 8 hours, a thin pipe takes 12 hours. Together, I will fill out how much of the tank, something like that. So in this case, together means 5/24 in 1 hour. I want to finish up one puzzle. How much of the hour? Do you know how to do? So here I just need to divide by 5/24. So here also divide by 5/24. Many of you are just copying, shouldn't be the way. So you need to know what you are doing. Yeah. I'm using my dream. So you divide by 5/24, you get 1. So here also divide by 5/24. Then you get the answer. But you know how I do it? Will you explain? Okay, so how do I do? Now, David take 8 hours to complete. So this part here, let me just write a few sentences. David, 8 hours one puzzle. You find 1 hour first. How much puzzle will I do? 1 over 8. Clear? So I did 1 hour, 1 over 8. The other one, 1 over 12, right? So in 1 hour, what do? I can plus together. So I take 1 over 8 plus 1 over 12. Can you follow? So together, 1 hour together, I will complete 5 parts of the puzzle out of 24. So how to complete 24 parts? You go and calculate. Do you understand? Another favorite variation is this. I got a tank, and then this is 20 hour. This is 10 hour. How long does it take to fill up the tank? Can you try now? This answer. 4 hours and 48 minutes. 4 hours, 48 minutes. Can everyone try this question? I got a tank. One pipe take 20 hours alone. One pipe take 10 hours alone. If together, how long does it take to fill up the tank? 20 plus 10 wrong. 1 over 20 plus 1 over 10. That is what's the number? 3 over 20. So your answer is together 1 hour is 3 over 20. If I want to fill up one tank, how long do I need? Okay. 3 units equal 1 hour. So 20 units equal 20 over 3 hours. I just want you to write this. Understand? So this is another type of question that will come out. Now B. What? The idea here is you want to find 1 hour together, how much can they complete? Now, next one. Find the total amount of time David have to complete if Lenny stop at 2 hours. So after 2 hours, they complete this. So remaining 40 over 24. So you get 40 over 24. That is 1 mark. Next. He complete 1 over 8 1 hour. So you take this divided by 1 over 8, there's so much hour they need. So if you have the other one, that is 1 mark. This is 1 mark. Then finally you plus 2, this is final mark. Can you take down the 3 numbers? 14 out of 24. Then what's the next one? 14 over 3, and the last one 20. Okay, go on to the next question. Go on to the next question. Just take down the 3 numbers. The 3 numbers 14 over 24, 14 over 3, and 6 hours 30 minutes. And the rest will take down. Please, don't take down. Go ahead and try yourself. Why divided by 1 over 8?
Because he complete 1 over 8.
Because 1 hour I can only complete 1 out of 8. How many hours do I need to complete 14 out of 24? So you take this divided by this. Again, why divided by 1 over 8? Because in 1 hour I complete 1 over 8. How many 1 over 8 do I need? You take this divided by this, then you get the answer. So 14 over 3 is the number of hours you need to complete. Next. Take down the 3 numbers. 14 out of 24, 40 over 3, 6 hours 20 minutes. Alternate why plus 2? Because originally they did 2 hours together already. So 2 hours plus this. Anyway, you can go to the YouTube video, fast forward to where you need, then look at this question, then you go on. Okay? So I quickly, 5 more minutes, finish that part. Okay, sets. Hey, this one, I'm curious. How many get this? Very good. Very good. Okay. Some didn't. Don't know why. Remember the label, the unit. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I don't go through. Answer is 8. Answer is 9 or and 15. Find an element. So write 1. 9 or 15. 9 or 15. Up to you. Curly bracket cannot. They want the element. So if you write like that means wrong. Wrong. This one means set. This is a set. They want the element. So you just write 9 or 15. Next one. Explain why is because the element 2 is both an even and a prime.
Either because A and D equals to curly bracket 2.
Can. If you write this, it's correct. It's correct. It means you know what it means. Means you know the meaning. Next. Matrix, I expect full mark. The first one is like that. First one who get wrong? Oh my god, why? What's the reasoning for 17? C. Because 2 is both an even number and prime number. Or you can write this. Clear, Ryan? Okay. 2, 0, negative 1. Okay, so did you get that? Why? Oh, but you put 2, 0, 1. Okay. So deducted minus so you must know it's minus 1. Let me explain. If you put 1, the answer here is different, but you still get full mark. Error carry forward. If here you put 1, 2, 3, then you put 1, 2, 3 here, you still get full mark. Provided you do correctly.
So I don't show the second step.
It's okay. So this is full mark. So this is B1. Next one, what does it represent? Total mark for Ravi and Mark respectively. So you must have this, and this. Okay, so 1 mark. So 3 words. This is 1 mark. Yes, must put. How many page more to the 3? You need the length. So Pythagoras theorem. So 5 square plus 0 square 5. If you just write 5, you get 1 mark. So this is 1 mark. What? Oh, why? Because value of P, is it positive? So you must remember P is positive. If you put plus minus 3, that is 1 mark. So this is 1 mark, this is 1 mark. What gives you the clue that there's only one number? Value. If you say values, then you search for the number. Okay? Next. Find the corner of invisible numbers. Who needs to explain this? On top you want to see. So while you copy, I also copy. Now, how you do this is simple. You draw an axis, this is X, this is Y. Can stay with me just for a while. P3, so 4, 3, so this is A. 5, 0, this is B. This is C, this is O. Then you want to look for C. Do you know how to do it? O, A, C, B. So O, A, C is here, B is here. So C is here. You understand? It must be in running order. If they say O, A, B, C means O, A, B, C is here. Follow? So O, A, C is somewhere here. So C is somewhere here. Now, how to find this point? Very simple. Ask yourself, A, O, how to walk to A? O to A. So this is 4, 3. So B to C also 4, 3. Understand? I repeat, because it's parallel and it's equal length. This is parallel and equal length. Parallel and equal length. So I walk 4 steps to the right, 3 steps up, then I get C. Okay, next. Wow, how many questions more? 20. Okay, I need to start at 22. Let me try. Now this one, 6. 1 mark. Give me the escape. Okay. I don't care, this one no working one, so you just give me the mark. T equals to 15 minus H, that is 1 mark. And then you have the final answer on the last page.
I put minus there.
Minus H.
Minus H.
Is it minus or plus?
I don't know, I put minus H. No, wrong. On top,
Is it 11 minus H?
you see your own working 28 equal to running.
It's plus. This is correct what? Because you shift over, right? So 11 plus 2, 13, minus, plus. Then after that, you want T, so you bring this over, so it should be a plus. Now, ability to write the area, 1 mark. Do you know why minus? You take 11 minus H. I want to find the length. How do I find the length? You take this minus this, then you can find the length. Alright? Next one. The ratio is this, so you must be able to write this. So if you write this is 1 mark, you write 11 minus H over X T plus 2 equal 5 over 2, that's 1 mark. You simplify, that is 1 mark.
Wow.
Then you solve simultaneous, that is 1 mark. Okay, so you solve simultaneous. So these are the 3 working. This is the last working. Don't borrow the photo. Where was the video? Drag to that. Or after that, come and see this. Okay, 17 no nothing man. Okay, 21. Square root 2r is 1 mark. 12 minus r is 1 mark. Either or. You either write this or write this. Also, just 12 minus r is 1 mark. Next one, using Pythagoras theorem, you write Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square equals c square, that's 1 mark. Then you simplify is 1 mark. Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square equals c square, or r square plus r square equals c square. You simplify, so this 1 mark, this 1 mark. Next is you solve, right? You solve for r. This is okay. You can use b square minus 4ac minus b. This is okay. But cannot be negative, so you reject the negative answer, yes? You can use the equation. If that gets 0, you use this to solve this, okay. Okay. Now, then the final one, area is 1 mark. Okay, Next one. Nine over 40, 1 mark. 3 over 10, 1 mark. 1 over 3, 1 mark. A is what? explain this, is it? Very long story. Each has a ball that contain, has a bag that contains one ball of each of the color red, green. Randomly select one ball and put in her bag. 1/5 is the ball I select. I select one ball. I put in her bag. Her bag will have how many balls? 6. So over 6. But then I will have additional that color, right? Example, if I pick red, I throw inside her bag. Her bag got 2 red. That's why 2 over 6. How many cases do I have? I have 5 cases because I can pick any color. I can pick 5 of different color. So I have 5. It's fine. If you get 98 upon 100, if you get 78 or 80, you're still very good. So chill. Really? Okay, good. Now, for these questions, I want you to finish that worksheet that you received using the video you are going to watch later that is going to be posted in your classroom. When you watch, go and do, go and complete, then do this question. I'm going to put the classroom later, alright? Alright, then new class go first.
进步嘞，那些29分嘞，29分嘞。
But not quiet. I mean, how do I get this from this? You get this from this. This one you get the answer, then you oh, because I can pick. Because this is I pick red. This is I to you lah. This is I pick red, but I can also pick blue. That's case number 2, case number 3, case number 4, case number 5. I can pick 5 cases, so I times 5. So this is the probability of red.
Under you. I pass. You got another good.
Not that bad lah. Huh?
Oh, I pass also.
That's bad.
I think I can get 50 and above.
Okay. So this one. Okay, so you need to understand the 2 hour first. So 2 hour means what? 2 hour means I will stop at here. Shit, I need to stop.